especially where the kids they try to go down because that looks so horrified for me. Yeah, guys, yeah, the thing is like just take care of your kids, yeah. So today we are going for Angel's cycle practice. Angel is going to learn to drive cycle, and yes, a little chirmuli of mine also is coming with me. Yeah. So Angel been riding cycle before, isn't it? But with stabilizer on that. Now I'm going to practice without the stabilizer. Let's see how well Chika's going to do. Eh, Kisha? She's more excited in coming.
So friends, this is our garage. Here it's a bit messy.
Oh yes.
Here we have all these charity clothes. We're going to sort it out tomorrow. And here is this
Angel cycle is
Angel
punctured. My
cycle.
God.
What?
Yeah. So I have to see puncture now. Angel cycle is punctured and I'm to fill air. Let's see. Hope it is not got a permanent puncture or something for that.
Yeah, cut your fingers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that?
This is the pump, no?
You know, in Goa
yeah,
we used
yeah.
to have that other one,
Yeah,
no?
this
Where we used to stand and do that. Say hello, Kisha.
Hi.
How are you? Say.
Hey,
Look here. Let's go. Say.
let go.
Love you. Say.
There.
Zaina, re?
Yeah, I got sweat when doing this. Angel, what is this?
It was inside only, Nare.
Yeah, they've got another one. There was another one for Angel.
That's another one. She
Now
had.
Kisha's going to use it after. So guys, plan B. Cycle puncture can't be fixed. And now plan B, we have to go to the park. Kisha is very excited. So Angel's going with the scooter. That cycle, other cycle is too small for her. She was very excited. But anyways, I'm going to fix it later. Not enough of time. And so that's why we're going in the scooter. So Lapit, go. You see this girl? How she's sitting? She's sitting as if like very relaxed. Kisha. Hello, girl. Hello. So bye bye, tada, tada. Huh?
She's a baby boy.
Yeah, you all ladies are baby boss only in my. You remember, no? What I call you, baby. On our wedding day, what did I say? Everyone guesses right. So here it is, the story behind calling her baby and the world knowing it. It's just because on our wedding day, like before I was get married, I think so. I used to be out with my friends and all. So every now and then she used to call, and I used to be on a phone for a long time. My friends who know me, that they probably won't be knowing, isn't it? That how much we used to be on the phone.
I also
So-
don't know what we should talk about.
Yeah, many of them they ask, "Are kiti ole tu itlo? Kiti ole ta?" Even I don't have an answers now. My friends who are watching, I'm telling you, I don't have an answers for that. What we should talk, but we should talk. I should feel nice talking to her. Hours and hours we should talk.
Angel, careful.
So the thing is, when we used to talk, whenever her phone would ring, and we used to play like the Mendicote we used to play. There was a place like the Maya's place where we used to go.
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you when we go to a very famous place. There's a boys joint over there, joint house. So we'll go over there, hang out, all boys, and we used to play Mendicote. So whenever her phone is, I should put earphones in one side, I used to play. And my friends say, "Arey, ole itna baby ko ole nale head hogi." Like it used to be like very. And on our wedding day, P.O. Kevin was our MC,
Yeah.
and he goes like, "Okay, guys, can anyone guess what does he call for Nadia?" The whole crowd just shouted, like whole of the gang, like the boys, "Baby!" It was like that. And then came the second baby, Angel. Then came the third baby. So, hola, baby only in my house.
By the way, Kisha calls Cashley babe.
Yeah, babe, I'll make you listen to that, yeah, one day. There you go. See, Angel full on having good time with the scooter. So guys, this is what? This is an apple tree over here. In the park over here, most of the parks they around, they have apple and pears. So this is an apple tree. There is a pears as well, isn't it? Hey, you can't see, Angel. Just see so many over here on top.
I can see
Yeah.
what?
You see what? I made Angel climb on that a small hill over here. And she said, "This is the biggest mountain I have to go up." की डोंगरार चोडटाले आमी कितले केन्ना व्हरचे ना हेंका आतां मातशें चडयल्या पुरो सी She's coming on the scooter.
Oh my gosh, that was so fun. That was so fun. I went there directly down.
And
And it was
did you have fun? You want to go again? Okay, go.
why not?
Today, the way how Angel is playing, running up, down, for sure, tonight she's going to have a very good sleep. Because summer holidays going on, she's been awake for the whole time. Like, late night she goes to sleep, 10, 11. Today, 8 o'clock, I think so she's going to be at bed.
Hopefully she doesn't say put oil for my feet. It's okay. Get the
It's
ball.
okay. Good. See, you still got up after you fell down. Did you get hurt?
No.
Well done.
Having a race together. Kisha started having fun. Now she's running over there. Kisha, she's going to chase Angel. Oh my God. Don't take her. Kisha. Yo. Doggy. Okay there.
Daddy.
Doggy. You should learn your cartwheel.
What?
Cartwheel. Let's see. Keep on doing. Good try. Uis. She doesn't want to come up. Teji want to. Oh, she doesn't want to go down. Chal. What's the गाड़ी? She doesn't want to go there. Look at her. She doesn't want to go inside. Okay. Okay, Angel also want to. Mama. 2, 3.
Again.
Again what? चला Here, muli mo gani. Tingos na ka. Yo, ate dali duko bibondo.
Kisha, where are your shoes?
Kide? Where are your shoes? Want to go?
Where's shoe, Baba? See my cycle. I'm
Where
gonna
your
find it.
We have to go find it. Go now find Angel. Go, let's find. Wait, आणि काम आणलंय.
There, see. इथे दोघं आहे. मोच स्वतः किशा गेलो. See. We only don't know now where it is. It's such a big playground. I think he found it. Found it finally. Bangar sudlala bashi suttali.
So here we are. We're having a nice family time. आणि exercise is चिरमुली. हे सारखे मत सांडायला in kasar गेला. And it's very nice weather. So just thought of like coming out with these kids. The plan was actually to go with the cycle. Cycling. Angel wanted to learn her cycle. Unfortunately, tire got punctured and we could not go. We have to fix, but yes, you had a good time, Angel?
Yes.
Yeah? You saw some of the stunts Angel is doing. Yeah, she's practicing.
Just behind our house.
Yeah, just very close to our house. Very nice. It's nice to see kids. Kisha had a good time also. Because, inside the house, you don't get enough of space to run around.
Backyard also what they
Yeah, and it's not really because there are bars and everything. Like, she might trip, fall, get hurt. Here, at least, it's not that you're there around and it's not nothing hazardous things around. But there are dogs and all, they go around. You just have to make sure that
Guys, be careful. We have seen a news on the TikTok or maybe Facebook that when you take kids to the park, like
Yes.
play park, there are some people here who does some mischief things. Yes, baby.
Mama, I finish. Give. Mama, finish.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
sorry. The thing is that the other day I saw in the news.
Yes. It's good that you're telling. Yeah. So exactly, guys. So what's happening is like there is news. I don't know how far it's good, but there are pictures which have been shared. I did put it on one of the Angel School group also previously. So the slides that kids go on. There are like kids where they play area, like especially in UK where they have they have a play area for kids to play, built by the government. So the community that is. And some of random people, we don't know who are they. That's nothing like, I don't know whether it's true or not, but the pictures are shared like that. Just make sure when you take your kids, there's no any nail or anything that is coming out, no any blades that are hanging, they've been stuck in the middle of those gaps or anything, because especially where the kids, they try to go down, because that looks so horrified for me, because there was a nail pierced in the middle of the slide. Imagine the kid coming from the slide and there is a nail. Or just can't even imagine that thing. So guys, if you're taking your kids in the public area, in the park and all,
just for awareness.
yeah, just making aware. Yeah,
Maybe it's false, but
yeah, we don't know how far it's true or not. There are some viral videos going in the TikTok, Facebook as well, and people who watch our vlogs just thought of okay, sharing this information to you. So guys, if you're going with your kids, this is summertime, you feel like going in the park and all, so make sure that before your kid, she or he or child is trying to play, just have a look around, okay, everything is safe and secure, it's clear. There are even some blades, sharp blades just kept in between the gaps where kids probably might be holding or just holding the hands and just sliding the hands on the rails and all. Can't imagine any kid getting hurt like that. It's just heartbreaking. I can't imagine that. But yeah, guys, yeah, the thing is just take care of your kids. Yeah,
and yeah, let's enjoy the weather.
enjoy the weather. Yes, actually, what we're thinking for the upcoming weekend or something, we should be going out where park is like this, where kids can play, and we just take some snacks and all. We sit around. Beautiful. You don't get this kind of weather every time in UK. It's very fortunate that sometimes you have it. This is the summer time. It has to be like this, and I hope everyone enjoys the summer like this only. It says we're going to do a nice barbecue. There's so many things that I want to do, but less of holidays and days off and more of work to do. And see my Chirmuli, she's saying hello, Kon.
Hello.
Kasha.
Hello.
So, Arka tu Kon?
Aka. Aka.
Are twinkle, twinkle, little star. Kisha's first poem that she started to learn, huh? She learned this first poem of hers.
Yeah, she just on the TV and she learned.
Yeah, here kids are like that only. They watch on TV and they learn. We don't give a lot. But the best thing is, Angel, if you watch that Peppa Pig and whatnot, oh my God. Kisha doesn't have that habit of watching. She likes watching music and all. And cinema, she's like pure, yeah, shitkodi is I'm getting. English bacon. Angel. Look at her.
She's eating Kisha's chips.
Hey. So we have come over here on top of the hill and you see how beautiful the view is from here. Awesome. And our house is just over there. Okay. So it's a pishacha kini kutte. Huh? Oisa na pod roll jane the. Yo, come. Oh, no. The dog made a poo over there. See? Show me behind.
No,
Show me behind. Show me. I see behind the poo. No amount of time or success can take a place of time that we spend with our family. Hello, our YouTube family, and welcome back to our channel K2 and Family. As you know, this is the end session of our vlog, and here we are with you. So, in today's vlog, it was very nice as well. We had a really good time. The plans were very beautiful to do, and apparently, it did not happen. As you see, today we are doing a shout out sitting inside our house, like in the living room. The weather, as usual, I said, summertime, but still, it's not good. So,
Yeah.
anyways, in winter, we would have been sitting inside and doing it. So, it's very and it looks really comfortable. Now we are very comfortable with y'all, so we can sit anywhere, sometimes in the bedroom, kitchen, or anywhere. I'll do it. So that's one good thing. Yeah. So the today's plan was like we wanted to. I mean, in this vlog, what we wanted to do is like I wanted to take Angel for cycling to teach her
Yeah.
cycle. She had a cycle which is smaller, which I've seen. Then the time when I went in, I saw her front tire was punctured.
As
Right.
it's summer holidays also for her, so we wanted
Yeah.
to take her out in the park.
We wanted to take a part. Cycle was punctured, so we could not make it with the cycle. So I have to fix that cycle of a tire puncture, and then we'll be one day probably we will be taking. I want her to learn cycle by this summer. I'll make
Yeah.
sure that I'll teach her. We went in the park. She had a good time. Kisha, you all have seen. She was like all over the place. She lost her shoes, and it was a pain for me to find her shoes. तो मौत सो तुम्हारा नाक जाल गो मखाते एदे बाहर के मजे ये
It was a
जोड़ शे
big-
सो तो मजे एंजल also is happy एंजल तो चलते हैं ऐसे गोवा ने चल और मारी चलते वहीला तो so
I wouldn't have allowed her that because she, as you all know, that she has eczema and all. Then she comes home, itchy, itchy, itchy. So it becomes too much. But then I said, okay, do it today because immediately she came home, she had her shower.
yeah, but Amali, I will say in one way it's good to allow kids to do what they want to
That,
because if
It's
I
just that I was a little cautious because, as in the video also, Kashli said, "Oh, there was a poop there," because there are lots of people coming with their pets or their dogs. Like imagine Angel rolling and comes on her face.
ah, but yes, there was nothing any such like that.
Yeah.
But
It's a clean park, yeah.
it's a clean park. They cleaned over there.
Yeah.
But you always have to be cautious, and that's one good thing. So yes, friends, this is very nice. Like as I said, like we can spend time like this. Now in UK, what happens? This is the only time that we can spend
Yes.
when it's a nice weather. But when it's a winter, you really can't do anything. In today's world, what I see is like, okay, if you don't keep your child active on those gadgets, also they will not be knowing when they come across with their friends because their friends will be knowing so many things, and they will be left. Okay, I'm too backward.
Yeah.
But at the same time, as parents, we have to manage to make sure that okay, they do also things which are meant to be done. Like not every time to be on the gadgets,
Yeah,
being on the
especially
tab, phone, or TV. No, activities are very important.
Yes.
Running, going out, be naughty. But don't naughtiness is like in a good way. Naughtiness, like what we saw ourselves in the childhood. We as a group, हम पहिले लहानसा गड्ड्याने हेटाले आणि किती बी टायर घेऊन हेटाले. Like you don't see those things. And I don't think so. Those days
Nowadays,
will come
kids,
back.
especially Angel, if we try to tell her that, she'll say, "What is even this game?" Like,
Yeah, I showed her once on the TV, like, okay, this is I used to play. What? What is that? So the thing is, what we would like to say is like, the time can be spent anywhere.
yeah,
You really don't need money to spend big money to spend time with family, to go anywhere far away. Like, we think of going, like, we need to go to the beach. We do not give time for kids, taking here and there. Not necessary. You can make a small pack lunch, take
Yeah.
in the park. Kids don't understand. Sometimes really like, there are like, "Oh, I need to take my kids to Disneyland. I want to take my kid to this place. I want to take my kids there." It is very nice. You need to take, but do that kid understand? The question is that like we wanted to take Angel for Disneyland before, but Angel was too small. She would not
Yes.
understand. But now Angel understand. But now if I take Angel now at this stage,
yeah.
Kisha will not understand. I want to go at a time when they really understand, they feel where we are going for. So even
Yes.
I'm like, okay, I'm being their father. If I go to Disney, I also be excited. So
Yeah, it's for everyone actually.
everyone will get excited. So I'm waiting for the right age for Kisha to grow up, and Angel also will be having the same fun as what Kisha will have.
Yeah.
So we will have a fun time all together. And so what we want to say is like, the message is this, like, you can go with your kids to the park. You can take them to your local parks. and you can have a good time over there as well. You really
Yeah.
don't need to go to big places
Big
around
places. But
or
as we
far away.
said in the video that there are some places, I'm not saying everywhere, or maybe it is false also, but what we saw on Facebook that we just wanted to share, like,
Yes.
so when you're taking your kids to the communal park where there are slides, swings, just have a look, because it's better to have a look and be,
Very careful about it at
careful
that
about
time. Yeah, I used to be careful. Like when we used to take for Angel and all, we should see if it's strong enough, it's
Mhm.
not moving or
Right.
anything. That we should check. Not like somebody will do such a
Such a
harmful
creepy
thing.
thing. Yeah, that's why we
Yeah,
thought of sharing that, because everyone is not on Facebook or on social media, right?
yeah,
So it's better to know. And if you all know about it, please share this with your loved ones so that
yeah.
they
Please
also
to
are
share
aware
with
of
people.
that.
It is very important that you spreading word only can just make
Right.
awareness around, and there is only that. This is what we can do.
Yes.
So, friends, here it's time to give a shout out. The first 5 lucky that we picked up for today is
The first shout out goes to Daisy from South Africa.
Daisy. Yes, Daisy, thank you. She sends a lot of love for the family kids. Daisy, thank you so much. You're watching all the way from South Africa and you've sent us love for me and my family. Thank you. Stay safe and God bless, Daisy.
The second shout out goes to Juanita De Silva.
Juanita De Silva, and she says, very nice vlogs. Juanita, I'm very happy, me and my family, because you really love what we are doing it. But thank you so much for showing your love and writing for us and liking our vlogs. Stay safe and God bless.
The third shout out goes to Kenyu Disa.
So Kenny Disa, that person has complimented you. So you need to say thank you for that.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
So, and sends a lot of love for kids. And he says her
Daughter's name
daughter's
is
name is
Cassia Irene Disa Coelho.
Coelho. Yes. So yes, thank you so much for writing for us. And you're getting a special compliment, sending a
Thank you
love for
so
my
much.
kids.
Yeah.
Yeah, stay safe and God bless.
The fourth shout out goes to Antonetta Costa.
Antonio Di Costa, thank you so much for loving and watching our vlogs, giving us time. And, it means a lot for us that you really give us time watching this vlog for us.
Yeah.
Thank you so much and God bless your family.
And the fifth shout out goes to Regina Fernandez.
Regina Fernandez. And Regina Fernandez says, very nice soup. Yes, the last recipe that we did a soup. Regina, thank you for liking that recipe. It's very common recipe, I think so, in every Goan house that we prepare, that soup. And, it's very nice. Kids like it. So, Regina, thank you for liking and writing for us. Stay safe and God bless. So, these were the shout outs that we had to give. But there is a one special request that I want to do to all my viewers and my following YouTube family. And the request goes for Sunny D'Souza Santos family.
Yeah.
So why I'm coming with this message is because if you go on my vlogs or my recipes, and if you go to the comments, there's this guy, Sunny D'Souza, he calls me Bob, and he writes every time. Every time he writes to me, and in his every single comment, he has something to say. Please pray for me and my family. Yeah, hope there is a miracle happening.
And they need a prayer.
And he said, keep me in prayers, keep me in prayers. But I asked him once, I hope everything is all right. He never disclosed, he never said anything.
And he never said that.
And he never, he never said me, to ask for prayers. So he just said, just pray for me.
Yeah.
So he just made a request for me. But 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 goes on and on. So one prayers into many prayers and many hands joining together
can make a miracle.
Can make a biggest miracle. My fellow followers, my only request, because we do prayers every day.
Yes.
Maybe that 1 minute, 30 seconds or 1 hour of prayers that we do.
Yeah.
Because my mother-in-law, she be into logos. She does in prayers for long, like 1 hour, 2 hours she be. I'm working, so I do my short prayer. Maybe it's a 5 minutes of prayers that I do before I go to work with my family. So I believe every one of you will be having the same thing when you are doing the prayers. And what I would request for you all is, when you do this prayers, please remember to do a small prayer for Santos family. Because I don't know in what difficulty he is in this time. And definitely, I will, Sunny, if you're watching this, I will pray for you. And I know and I believe that my YouTube family is going to pray for you and your family as well.
Yes.
And whatever difficulty you are into, you will be coming out because Jesus is there. He's watching us. I am the live example, like my family is a live example. We have a lot of difficulties. Maybe this is a smiling face, but we have a lot of difficulties and hurdles that we have to go through. But one thing, what I believe, that God has never let it go. He never left us. He is always there. Whatever He has done for us, He has done at the right time.
Yes.
If anybody who can judge us in our life is our God, nobody else. Nobody else. So, friends, I'm telling you, please, yeah, if you all can, and I know that you will, please pray for this family. It is very important that prayers are more important than anything.
Yes.
They can change the world around you. So I believe in that. No doctors, no magician, nobody can do anything much better than what God can do. So my YouTube family, thank you in advance for you all, for watching, for listening for us. And before we finish off this vlog, a final word to say, stay safe, God bless you all, and a final word to say, adios.